Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this is my personal experience with the tool, your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a closer look at RoboForm, a password manager available at roboform.com. Managing your ever-growing collection of online credentials can be a real headache. RoboForm aims to simplify this process by securely storing and managing all your passwords, so you only need to remember one master password. RoboForm offers a range of features designed to streamline your digital life. Beyond simply storing your passwords, it can also autofill online forms, generate strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts, and even securely share login information with others when needed. Security is paramount with any password manager, and RoboForm utilizes robust encryption methods to keep your sensitive data safe and protected. For those concerned about accessibility, RoboForm is available across a wide range of devices and platforms, including desktop computers, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. This cross-platform compatibility ensures you can access your passwords wherever and whenever you need them. Different subscription plans are offered to cater to individual needs and budgets, ranging from free options with limited features to premium subscriptions that unlock the full power of RoboForm. Exploring roboform.com, you'll find detailed information on the various features, pricing plans, and available support resources. They often highlight their commitment to security and user privacy, which are critical factors to consider when choosing a password manager. Whether you're struggling to keep track of a handful of passwords or managing credentials for dozens of accounts, RoboForm might be a solution worth considering. Remember to check out their website for the latest information and to see if it's the right fit for your digital security needs.